Hello friends, today we shall study about phrase, very important part of English grammar. Now let us know about phrase. What is phrase? The group of words which create meaning when used in sentences. Group of words which create meaning when used in sentences. Now let us we have some examples. The Sahukar was man of wealth. The Sahukar was man of wealth. Here man of wealth, that is a phrase, and man of wealth that creates meaning when used in sentence, and that complete sentence is the Sahukar was man of wealth. Another example is he fell to the ground. To the ground here, that is a phrase. To the ground that creates meaning when used in sentence. When used in sentence. Now complete sentence you can see, he fell to the ground. Otherwise, to the ground will create no meaning. Another example, early to bed is a good maxim. Early to bed is a good maxim. Here the group of the words in red color, that is a phrase and it creates meaning when used in the sentence. Early to bed is a good maxim. Now types of phrase. How many types of phrase are there in English? There are three types: adjective phrase, adverb phrase and noun phrase. Adjective phrase, adverb phrase and noun phrase. Now let us know about adjective phrase. When group of words function as adjective in a sentence. Once again, when group of words functions as adjective in a sentence, that is called adjective phrase. Let us have some examples. We lived in house built of stones. We lived in house built of stones. Here built of stones, that is qualifying house. That is qualifying, that is telling about house. So it is functioning as adjective. So this is called adjective phrase. Adjective phrase. Another example, let us see. The magistrate was a man with kindly nature. A man with kindly nature, this is the phrase, and this is used. The magistrate was. So total sentence, complete sentence is the magistrate was a man with kindly nature. So a man with kindly nature, that is an adjective and telling about the magistrate. So this part, total group of words, they are adjective phrase. Now about adverb phrase. Adverb phrase, when group of words function as adverb in a sentence. When group of words function as adverb in a sentence, that is called adverb phrase. So let us see some examples. He is coming at this very moment. He is coming at this very moment. Here the group of words in red color, that is telling about the verb coming. You know adverb, that is the word that qualifies, that tells about verb, that is adverb. So here group of words is functioning the same. At this very moment, that is qualifying, that is telling about the verb coming. Coming is the verb and at this very moment, that is telling about coming. So this is called adverb phrase. Some examples we have. The arrow fell on this spot. The arrow fell on this spot. On this spot, that is the adverb phrase and telling about fell. That is the verb. He answered in a very rude manner. He answered in a very rude manner. In a very rude manner, that is the adverb phrase telling about answer. So another example, he fell to the ground. To the ground, that is the adverb phrase that is telling about fell. So these are the examples of adverb phrase. Adverb phrase, the group of the words that function as adverb in the sentence. Now noun phrase. After adjective, adverb phrase, now we have noun phrase. When the group of words function as noun in a sentence, that is called noun phrase. When the group of words function as noun in a sentence, that is called noun phrase. Some examples of noun phrase. Early to bed is a good maxim. Early to bed is a good maxim. Here early to bed has come in the place of noun, that is functioning as subject, and that is used as noun in the sentence, and it is creating meaning when used in sentence. So complete sentence is early to bed is a good maxim. If you say early to bed, that will be incomplete in itself, and it completes when used in a sentence. So early to bed, that is the noun phrase, and that is giving its meaning when used in the sentence. Early to bed is a good maxim. Another example, we enjoy playing cricket. Playing cricket, that is a noun phrase, and that is telling about that has come as object of the verb. That has come as object of the verb. Verb is enjoy. Now another example, I try to get the sum right. To get the sum right, that is the noun phrase that has come as object of the verb tried. Another example, he hopes to win the first prize. He hopes to win the first prize. To win the first prize, that is also the noun phrase, and as the object of the verb